Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So, we started learning our chapter 2 which is Ernie's family, and we talked different things about Ernie's family. We came to know that Ernie, who is having some problems in walking, got selected in National Institute of Fine Arts, Mumbai, and initially her grandfather, her Dadaji, was not ready to send her to Mumbai alone. He was having various cautions in his brain and he was worried about Ernie, but finally when Ernie's father, Uma Didi and Dr. Auntie, all of them requested Ernie's Dadaji and explained the things that Ernie will be safe there in hostel. He was ready to send her to Mumbai. So, now in part 3 we will just finish the chapter. So, let us see the remaining things of chapter 2, Ernie's family. So, one day Ernie's grandma, she told her, "Beta, you are going out, but I don't know who will cook food there and how the food will be. You prepare your own food and eat." So, grandma was actually worried about the food Ernie will get there in the hostel. So, she said that, "Beta, you are going out, but I don't know that who will be there to cook food and how the food will be, whether you will like it or not." And then she said that you prepare your own food and eat it. So, just see that grandma was worried about the food of Ernie which she will be eating there in the hostel. तो अब अर्नी की ग्रैंडमा ने कहा कि वहाँ पता नहीं कौन खाना बनाएगा और खाना कैसा होगा, तो आप ऐसा करना कि आप खुद ही अपना खाना बना लेना. So, see what Ernie replied. So, Ernie replied, "Dadi, I'm going there to study. I will not have time to cook food myself. Pure and good food is available in hostel, and how does it matter who cooks? All are human beings. We will have to change with time." So, Ernie replied that there is no problem about food in the hostel. I came to know that pure and good food is available there, and it doesn't matter that who cooks the food, as all are human beings, and with times we will have to change our mindsets. So, अर्नी ने क्या कहा कि दादी माँ, मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ, मैं पढ़ने जा रही हूँ और मुझे समय नहीं मिलेगा अपना खाना खुद बनाने के लिए, और मुझे ये पता पड़ा है, मैंने ये पता किया है कि मेरे हॉस्टल में शुद्ध और अच्छा खाना मिलता है. और उसके अलावा अर्नी ने क्या कहा कि इस बात से क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है कि खाना कौन बनाता है, क्योंकि सभी मनुष्य हैं, ऑल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, और हमें अब अपने विचार बदलने होंगे. जो हमारे माइंडसेट हैं, वी विल हैव टू चेंज. खाना कौन बनाता है इससे हमें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. So, this was the conversation of grandma and Ernie. So, in this chapter what we learned? So, we learned that daughters should also be taught. So, Ernie was a girl and all the family members were ready to send Ernie to Mumbai for her studies, and this was a good decision by their family. So, in this chapter we came to know, we came to learn that daughters should also be taught, and son and daughter both are equal actually, and they should be treated equal. They should also be given opportunities to progress. So, girls or daughters should also be given opportunities to progress and move ahead in life. They should be given opportunities to get success. And the second thing which we learned, elder family members should be respected. So, this is very important that our elder family members should be respected, they should be given proper respect. We should not show disrespect to them. Then the third thing, with times we should change our mindsets. So there are various stereotypes in our society and we prepare our mindsets according to them, but with times we should change and we should also change our mindsets. तो बच्चों यहाँ इस चैप्टर में हमने 3 बातें सीख ली हैं कि बेटियाँ या लड़कियाँ जो हैं वो भी बिल्कुल लड़कों के बराबर हैं और उन्हें भी पढ़ाया जाना चाहिए, उन्हें भी आगे बढ़ने के मौके दिए जाने चाहिए. और क्या सीखा कि हमारे परिवार के जो भी बड़े हैं उन्हें हमें बहुत अच्छे से व्यवहार करना चाहिए, उन्हें हमें सम्मान देना चाहिए, आदर देना चाहिए. एंड द थर्ड थिंग कि समय के साथ हमें अपनी विचारधारा में परिवर्तन करना चाहिए. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट चैप्टर 2 Ernie's family. So we learned very good things in this chapter, and similarly we will be learning many good things in the course of EVS, and we will meet in next part and we will start chapter number 3. It was all about chapter 2. Thank you for watching.